What is up, Disney family? The time has finally arrived. Welcome to Disney's newest private island, Lookout Key at Lighthouse Point. We're going to be taking you all around the island, showing you places to eat like Choo Choo 1 and Choo Choo 2, activities, merch, all of it. From special kids areas to adult only areas, be sure to stay tuned to the end of this video so you can experience this private island with you and your family.
All right guys, so this is the Reef and Rec bar. It is right near the beach, which is absolutely amazing. So you get a little bit of those cool views, get a cool drink, maybe mix the both, drink responsibly. Let's go check it out. All right, so the views, guys, is absolutely amazing. I've got me a nice beer here. I'm gonna have this, I'm gonna kick it back up with Alyssa, but when you come down here, don't forget to get one of these souvenir cups. Pretty cool. It's got Disney Cruise Line on it, so pretty neat.
This is the Play Pavilion, which is home of the Fun in the Sun Beach Bash. All the characters come and play some super fun games. Let's go check it out. Oh, are you at the beach? Look at how pretty the water is, Nova. Woohoo!
Sun is so hot right now. I know I said it earlier. I'm gonna say it again because I really want to get you guys to get into the mindset of it being like super hot. Now listen, we're gonna go get some lunch here at Choo Choo Barbecue. They've got a couple of locations. They got Choo Choo Barbecue, and then they have Choo Choo 2 Barbecue. Let's go get some food here. They have tons of options to choose from. They've got burgers, they've got hot dogs, they've got French fries, they've got ribs. I saw some chicken sandwiches over there, which look absolutely delicious, but they also have some of like your cold stuff, like salad, potato salad, some beans, some coleslaw. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna go fix a plate, show you guys a little bit of what I have, and we'll kick it off from there, let you know how it tastes. That way you and your family will know exactly what to do, what to get. Me personally, I'm feeling like some fruit, something light on the lighter side, so that's maybe what I'll get, but let's go check it out.
Welcome to Sebastian's Cove. This is part of the kids club here on the island. There's a giant splash pad, tons of fun in the sand here. You can drop your kids off, or there are open hours where you can come and splash around with your kids. Splash, splash, splash. Come on, honey.
All right, guys, so I got a chicken sandwich, some ribs, some chicken and rice, some broccoli, and some mac and cheese. So you totally have some options to choose from. All right, guys, so these are some of the merch shops here at Lookout Key. And there's the Treasures of Eleuthera, which is behind you guys, technically. And then there's Disney things. So I think I'm gonna go inside, check out, and do some shopping with you guys. So check it out. Got some fun mini ears here.
Serenity Bay is one of the most treasured parts of Castaway Cay, so it only makes sense that they included it here at Lookout Key. It is the adults only area, so let's go explore.
All right, as you guys are still kicking it with me, I'm just showing you guys around, but the Disney things is pretty cool. They had t-shirts and Crocs and hats and Now I'm in like the artistic section where they got like handmade baskets, like the tiny shops that you would see in the Bahamas, places like Nassau, which is really nice because there's homemade art. This is like super dope.
Okay, so maybe you're on an adults-only vacation and you just want some quiet, peaceful relaxation by the beach. This is the perfect spot for you. So let's go check it out. All right, these cabanas are absolutely beautiful. The seating is plentiful. It comes with a host, food, drinks, and your own private beach access. Lovely. So it looks like you can control a lot of things in the cabana right here on this iPad. You can change the music, you can place an order. I mean, it's pretty cool. Pretty cool.
As you can tell, your boy has adopted a new attire to keep from the sun, but we're just kind of checking out a few of the bars, and there's several of them, but they all kind of serve the same thing. Just as FYI, we haven't seen anything different from the menus. So just come out, have fun, relax, enjoy it. Beers, mixed drinks, special menus.
This is Rush Out, Gush Out water play. There's tons of fun water features. There's water slides, there's giant buckets of water, all of the water. So let's go check it out. All right, y'all, so a few things to keep in mind when you're visiting Lookout Key at Lighthouse Point. It is quite the trek to get where you want to go. So, not that it's awful, but just keep that in mind. You do have to walk from the ship all the way to the entrance point. There are no trams up to that point. It's about a 12-minute walk. It's at least a half a mile. It's kind of nice, but it is warm, so just be prepared, bring some water. I did not do that, and I was very thirsty. But once you get into the entrance point, you do have to take a tram. It's about a 10 to 12-minute ride to the other side of the island. So just prepare yourself. You're not going to get off the ship immediately and get into the water. You're going to probably wait at least 30 to 45 minutes before you can enjoy all of those activities. But the beaches over there are well worth the wait. There are a few other things that we actually didn't get to today, but I wanted to share them with you because they are important. Besides True True Barbecue, there is True True 2 and Serenity Bay Barbecue. The selections are pretty similar, but I just wanted to let you know you had options. There are many activities that we didn't get to experience today, including a nature trail that takes you around the island and all the way to the lighthouse. Yes, y'all, there's an actual lighthouse on the island and you can go see it. There's also snorkeling and bicycle rentals and many, many port adventures. So if you are sailing to Lighthouse Point, be sure to check those out.
However, you're probably wondering, why am I dressed like a pirate? Well, the only way you're gonna get to Lookout Key at Lighthouse Point is if you take a Disney cruise, but there's some major differences between a Disney cruise and going to Disney World. So which one's right for your family? Don't worry, we checked it out for you. Watch this video right here. That way you know exactly which one is better in 2024, Disney World or Disney Cruise. And we'll see you in the next one. Later, Disney fam. Peace.